Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. And somebody emailed me and actually sent me a video. Don't even recognize the language, but they had interlocking rings. I didn't take a lot of time to make these, but they're a little bit different than just solid rings. So interlocking means that one of them looks like it goes through the other one. So just make a rectangle or a box, and just make sure you kind of get maybe it doesn't really matter as long as you get kind of all of the box. We can raise that up a little bit. And these things are not grouped together. So now we're going to select all three items and we're going to go intersect. Well, what that did, that made a copy of that stuff in the middle. Now, if we go to, I'll tell you what, let me get rid of my box and we grab that item that we intersected and we go to object order front of page. Now it looks like it's going, this is probably the easiest way to do this type of stuff because you could just keep doing it constantly over and over and over. Anyway, I hope that answered their question. Thank you for watching.